Hey guys, today I would like to make a little update of my previous analysis on waves. If you are interested, then tune in. So what we can see on this chart is that waves drew a perfect double bottom, then pumped hard, that allowed us to break this global counter trend line and meet this range's high resistance. As you remember from my previous video or Twitter, I was predicting that probably this asset is going to take some rest and go for a test of this counter trend line as support or even swing lower to this global trend line before it goes for another leg up, but it didn't. Well, it is logical because Bitcoin dragged everybody up with it. So as you know, I wasn't shorting it then. I was only following this asset to find the best possible entry because I think it is going to be the most profitable as when the market reverses. So I'm following it. If you remember, I told you that we have to draw this supporting line. This local supporting line is very important because we held it for a month, successfully respected that level, and I drew this also local resistance line, and I thought that technically if we lose this local trend line we are going down, but I didn't short here either because I needed us to lose this local range support, and we didn't. And I saw that Bitcoin is going up and I refused to open a short here, and I was right here because we secured this and flipped this local resistance line, and we retested it as support technically and took off. So I decided not to open any shorts, of course. That was the sign that we are going higher, and we went. Also, we have to take into account the fact that this asset usually rests when Bitcoin is going up, when it goes up consecutively, slowly. It rests a little bit and is in consolidation or even local correction, but usually when Bitcoin goes down, especially sharply, waves source, and we saw it today when Bitcoin went down sharply. Waves in its turn went up significantly, as you see here, this candle. But that upside move was followed with the absorption. So what we got to understand about this asset in order not to lose money, because you can win big here and you can lose a lot, maybe even everything. A lot of people lost here. I know that everybody shorts it for a long time already, and they are not satisfied because it always triggers their stop losses or even liquidates people. And that is how work such assets, such highly manipulative assets, and you can see that. But we have rules and we have the math that we work with, and it works solid for me. What you got to understand is that this line, the so-called local trend line, is not local anymore. It is our global trend line, and it is not even more. It will become our point of control, if you know what I mean. If you watch my videos or read my tweets, you will understand that this line guarantees us that it doesn't matter how high waves goes. Maybe it stops around here in the 62, 68 area, or maybe it goes even for $80. I don't know for now, but it will always come back to this line. So you always know that if this line is here and the market reverses and the waves reverses, it will come to this line, for example, for a retest at least, and then bounces from it, or comes to break it, and when it breaks it, there will be another opportunity to short if it retests this line and rejects on hourly or 4-hour time frame. It is a sign to go short, and it will go lower to 4200% or 36 even. How do I know it will come there? Because let's look at our high time frames. We can look at monthly. Look at this parabolic candle. Usually this candle has to be recovered at least 50% from its movement. Where is 50%? Somewhere here, around $36, $42. So we know for sure that in April, it doesn't matter how the things go on the market, maybe it will soar even higher, but then it will get absorbed and the price will 100% come to $42 at least, or 36. I guarantee 42. 36 is the bonus, you can call it that. Why I know this? Because the market makers algorithms work this way, so the price always recovers at least 50% of the candle, of the previous candle that was made on excessive volumes and on that was moving on excessive speed. So it will come here anyway, maybe 225 sometime a little bit later, but I'm not talking about it now. I am sure that it will come to $42. So you have to find a good entry, and based on how the monthly is going to open, we will understand what to do. If it opens with a pump, then we will find that a short somewhere around $62-$64 if we see that absorption is coming, and we hold for a longer term at least to 42, or it can start descending right away. So we should react upon the market, upon what we see here. But if we close with this green candle, I think it will start with the upside movement, so we will have a good opportunity to enter the short when it comes. What we have to add some lines here, another trend line that allowed me to understand where the price is going to stop here. You see, precisely we touched this line resistance and we went down precisely, and I don't think that we break this line again. Maybe if Bitcoin is going to consolidate or won't be going down sharply, we will see some movement of consolidation here, or drawing some, I don't know, maybe head and shoulders here, I don't know. But we know that the price will come to $42 here anyway this month, even if we only have to retest it to draw monthly week that will send us even higher. We will have to retest this $42. So we are in a good spot for shorts. We just have to find the right the right place for a short. For that we have to follow Bitcoin, which is at the critical support here, maybe even here, but we cannot allow it to lose this zone. At least even this 45,000 has to be held in order to go higher. Otherwise, if we see the rejection, the dive under, then we have to take short on waves 2 when we see it. So if this video was useful, then press the like button, follow me on Twitter to get fast updates on the market. Good luck, bye.